We know what's best for you.
I hate you.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something.
Support your president. Support your president. Vote Democratic. Vote for Bobblehead Biden.
Fuck the government.
That's everybody. That's
everything.
Oh no, you're on the
Don't say that.
I can't tell when I'm being evil and when I'm being good anymore. Oh, fancy that. Kind of like Republicans and Democrats.
Alright, this is getting to be a political shit
Yeah,
post.
enough with your rants, Mom. We've all heard your rants enough times.
We're making a video about, I guess, like...
Look, this filter makes your lips look thin. I don't get it. You don't have thin lips.
I do, I have oddly, like, thin and simultaneously not thin lips. It's a very strange situation.
What if we were this, though? What if we looked like that?
Well, I kind of do, when I smile, at least.
You don't,
At least I don't look like Delilah. Oh,
At least we don't look like Delilah, damn. That's what nightmares are made of.
in the next one,
Tiny.
who is Delilah?
Yeah.
Why is that sad?
I'm just sad.
Oh, she's sad. Sad about Delilah?
Yeah, this is all going on YouTube.
Yeah. Good. Your face better be too.
My face is the main thing that people come to see. That
Yes.
hundreds of millions of people
Yeah.
travel to see in order to see. Yes, it is.
Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
Okay.
Come here, ugly. Yes, you are.
Oh, hello, fluffy girl, fluffiest.
Yes, you are.
Fluffiest.
Delilah has brushed her.
Fight for your reputation,
has,
bitch.
has put on her fluffiest coat and
Oh,
brushed
you're
it
showing?
and yes.
Okay.
Oops.
In that case, I'll try not to show my turmeric-stained teeth. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I don't have teeth.
So the idea was to, for some reason, bore people with every detail of what we do on a windy quarantine
I was kind of wondering about that
day out in the country.
topic.
Yeah.
You know, the fascination of us.
When Delilah allows us to stop playing pull toy with her for a few seconds in the morning, having woken up late after a week of trying to get back to our 7:30 or even 6:30
I get up at 8 though.
a.m. schedule. She gets up at 8. I get up like closer to 9:30. And I hate myself for it every day, but here we are. So that's what I've done today. Oh, and I've done my 5-minute journal, 5-minute morning journal. So I suggest we go. I want to straighten my hair and get
Am I
ready.
supposed to say what I did today?
Oh yeah, she's done. I thought all we had done today was my things. Go ahead.
Well, not that I've done so much, but I did get up. I did make us mocha and toast, and then I
after we said that. Meditate. So what have we done so far other than clean the stove?
Nigga, Captain Hook, ayy, I go shopping, want it, then I pop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he eat it, ayy, yeah, know it's good, ayy, chewing, ayy, singing, I love niggas with conversation.
Okay, you're just gonna have to stay awake until she...
Oh, is this one? Look how cute I am.
You like that one? That's what you like?
Yeah.
Look how cute I am.
Because it gives you a pink mustache, right? That's
Yeah.
why you like it?
I'm a
Yeah,
cat.
she needs a pink mustache.
Okay.
Do you not see the weird highlights? It's like your nostril is pink.
I like the weird highlights.
Yeah, I guess you would. You like weird.
I do like weird. I mean, look at you.
Oh,
Over weird. I
babe.
just want to be regular.
You just want to be regular?
No, I can't even lie. It's boring.
We'll build a tree house if you come.
Okay.
Yeah, remember right there where Granddad
This tree right out the
had
in
kind of
front
started
of the house.
to build one for
There's
us.
a treehouse tree? I don't remember
There's
that.
You don't remember
house
that?
that can be made.
I don't remember any big trees except the cypress.
I'm on a PJ lining it up, backwood full of sticky. Woo. I'm tryna tote that Draco in London and it's extended. Woo. They gotta stretch a nigga, how we gon' die for this shit? Woo. Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Woo. We some poor, high class niggas, made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. Woo, it's like a shando, live on my neck, my wrist. Woo, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Woo, got promethazine in my blood and Percocet. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call him Serene. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, claret the pinky. All fat though, we ordered the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the voo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face to the news. I put the puss on the shirt. After I murked it, make go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird. Nigga's birthday and you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 on the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Yeah, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch.